In a Wheatstone meter bridge, the ratio arms P and Q are approximately equal. When R equal to 50 ohm, the bridge is balanced. On interchanging P and Q, the value of R for balancing the bridge is 54 ohm. Find the unknown resistance in the fourth arm. So I have drawn the circuit diagram for this Wheatstone bridge. Now this P, Q, R and S are the resistances in this Wheatstone bridge. Now what is given in the problem? That P and Q are nearly equal, and when this R in this first case, we are considering the first case over here, when this R is 50 ohm, at that time the bridge is balanced. Okay, so we can get the balancing condition for this bridge. Bridge is balanced. So when is this bridge balanced? When we have P upon Q is equal to R upon S, right? So this is the balancing condition. According to this, according to this problem, P upon Q is equal to R, that is 50 upon S, where S is the fourth resistance or the fourth arm resistance, which is unknown, and we have to find that value of S. Now what is the second part of the problem? That on interchanging P and Q, we have interchanged P and Q. Now Q comes here and P comes here. So on interchanging P and Q, the value of R for balancing the bridge is 54 ohm. So again the bridge is balanced. So but now according to this bridge, what will be the equation? The equation is going to be Q upon P. Now Q is in this place over here. So we have Q upon P is equal to R upon S, that is equal to R upon S. So I will get the condition Q upon P is equal to R upon S. And what is that equal to? R is now 54. For balancing the bridge, R should be 54, that is given in the sum. So Q upon P is equal to 54 upon S. So I can write P upon Q, P upon Q, P upon Q is equal to S upon 54. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. I want to find the value of S. So I just have to equate P and Q. So I am going to equate equation 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2. So what do I get? I will get P upon Q is equal to 50 upon S is equal to S upon 54. Now we want to solve for S. So I get S square is equal to 50 into 54. So S is equal to square root of 50 into 54. I will just simplify this to get the value of S. I'll write this 50 as 2 into 25 and 54 as 9 into 3 into 2. Okay. So I will get this as 2 into 5 into 3 root 3. So this is 30 root 3, or if you solve this, you will get the answer as 51.96 ohm. So the value of S or the unknown resistance in the fourth arm is 51.96 ohm. This is the final answer.